everyone, in today's video we'll cover everything about AMD drivers, how to debloat the drivers, the AMD Control Panel, how to disable power states of your GPU, and some useful things about AMD. The first thing that you must do is to uninstall your old driver. Okay, you will choose the GPU. Now this program will detect your VGA and you will choose the middle option. After that we'll start to remove everything. Also, but before you do anything, you can go to options and uncheck this. Okay, press close and the process will start. Okay, the installation has been done. I will press exit. Okay, and now I will navigate to the link to install the driver. You will select your GPU. Okay, my GPU is 5070 series, the 5070 XT. Okay, I will press submit, and after that I will choose my operating system, and I will choose the AMD Software Adrenaline Edition. You can choose also AMD Software Pro Edition, but I will talk for this on another video. For now, I recommend you the first option. You will press download and the installation will start. I have already installed the driver, so I will navigate on the next step, and that the next step is the Radeon Slimmer. With that way, I will debloat my driver, okay, with some basic settings. Okay, I will open add as administrator. I will navigate pre-install, browse. I will find my driver. I will press next. I will press next. And now the software will extract all installer files to uncheck that I don't want to install with the driver. Okay. It's very important that you must be careful about what you're choosing. Okay. I'm not gonna show you on this video something very complicated or something dangerous. Okay. I will show you something. I will show you only the basic and safe settings. Okay. For me, I will disable anything about audio. I will remove basically. Okay, AMD HDMI audio driver, AMD high definition audio controller. What else? This tab I will not change anything else. I will navigate to scheduled tasks. I will remove only this, the AMD updater. I don't want that. Okay. Display driver components. I will remove the first two, and I will start with the RAM. This part, just you will choose the full install. Okay. The full install will give you everything on AMD Control Panel. The minimal installation will give you everything, but basically will give you all settings, but you won't have access to overclock your VGA with AMD Control Panel, and the driver only will install only the driver without anything else. Okay, I will choose the first option and I will press install. Okay, the installation is finished. Of course, uncheck this if it's unchecked. Okay, and now I must restart my computer to show you the AMD Control Panel. Okay, I will came back after the restart. Okay, I forgot something very important to tell you. If you have resizable bar enabled, okay, from your BIOS, okay, you need to restart your PC twice times, okay, and of course you must enable resizable bar. All BIOS have these options. All latest BIOS, latest motherboards, okay. It's really important to enable it. Okay, by default it's not at the most times I think. So enable this option from BIOS, and if you have AMD VGA, you will see what I will do now. First of all, I will skip this. Okay, and the first thing is to go in settings, preferences. I will uncheck everything from here. I don't want anything. It's also my personal preference, of course. We'll uncheck this. Not gonna change anything here. I will remove hotkeys, I'm not using them. In system, disable automatic updates, recommended only. Issues detection, disable it. I will start now in graphics. You will uncheck everything from here. Make sure that is off. Okay, always off. Must be very careful. Anti-aliasing. Use application settings. Texture filtering quality, performance. Keep enable this. Override application off. Basically, as you see, we haven't so many settings to change in AMD Control Panel, and that is really good. Okay, and for that, I love this this company. Also, the interface is better than NVIDIA. Okay. Now in display, if you have AMD FreeSync Premium, you can enable it. In my opinion, just keep only this enabled. Don't enable VSync, vertical sync from control panel or vertical sync in-game. Just cap your FPS 3 FPS below from your hertz of your monitor, okay, and just enable this. Especially if you have AMD FreeSync Premium, this is going to give you a smoother gameplay and probably a lower latency and more responsive gameplay. Of course, I will make a video about this, don't worry. And yeah, don't change anything else. Make sure that this is on the maximum. Okay, and also the color settings. And yeah, you can create a custom resolution. I'm not gonna do this now. You can custom color settings. You can usually I'm setting this saturation in 125. It's my personal preference. It doesn't matter basically. Okay. And yeah, I think we haven't anything else to do in control panel. Okay, I think. And of course, you can go in performance and you see your. It's like a task manager with AFD. It's really beautiful. Okay, but the most important thing is tuning. With that way, you can overclock, undervolt, overclock VRAM on with your with this program for your VGA. Okay, and you can create a custom profile. Okay, you can manage your fans, your power, the VRAM, the GPU clocks. It's really useful. And about the resizable bar, as you see, it's enabled. So if you have it, this if you see this option, this resizable bar enable from here, it's going to be also enabled here. If you decide to disable this, you have to restart your computer, and here you can see what it's doing. It's base address register, and this going to give you some more performance using the maximum amount of memory, and I think it's really useful. This is going to boost your performance in 10%, 5%. It's a small boost, okay. Also, you can do some stress test. As you see, you can set the duration. It's a really trustful stress test, okay, and you can use it. Of course, you can start recording or anything else. Okay, it's and to do live streams. Okay, and yeah, that about control panel. We have so many things to do. It's a really useful program. It's a really useful interface and control panel. Now we'll continue with GPU-Z, and I will show you how to disable power states. For that, you have to export the BIOS settings. You will press Save File. go to desktop, save, and here is my BIOS settings. Now we'll use more power tool. It's a really it's for advanced user basically this tool. So if you not feel comfortable to use it, don't use it. Skip this part. But if you think you are okay, just that you have to do is to press load and press this text file, and as you see we have some settings. That you have to do is to go in future control and uncheck everything with DS, only these things. For me, I have some also already disabled, but everything with DS in front, uncheck it. Of course, you can do more things with this program, but I recommend you to be careful with that. Okay, don't do anything stupid. Okay, when you change the settings, just press OK, press save. You can basically you can save it, and now you will press write SPPT. Successfully add it, and you can exit. Okay, you can keep backup with the old BIOS settings. Okay, but it's really safe, these settings. Okay, you won't have any problem. And also I will set in high priority my CPU. Okay, and of course the PCI Express route. Basically, no, I will uncheck this. I will press undefined. This setting I had it on high because on this location was my old VGA. So give me some second to check something. Yeah, okay. Nice. I will keep only this in high. Okay. Yeah. Now, a last thing is to run some registry keys. Okay. Of course, I have the zip file, and I will have it on description. Don't worry. And I will run this registry. Okay. This will give you some small boost. It will have a small impact in performance. Not something big. Not something big. Okay. And yeah, also this registry is really important. Okay, I will make a video about this soon. I'm not gonna tell you something more about this registry. Okay, and yeah, well, I think we've done with AMD optimization. That was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I will continue with some videos about AMD, some comparisons, some extra settings. I don't know. And of course, I will make the video very soon about Windows 10 comparison with Windows 11. Anyways, guys, that was the video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.